Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S. In this video I'll show you how to connect Pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now when pendrive is connected, select Explore . And now you can check the internal storage of your pendrive. You can also find it by going to Files app. Browse, and it's right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.